Morning guys, today I'm gonna take you to the most three beautiful waterfalls in tropical North Queensland. Let's go. Today is January 14, 2025. This is my first long form video this year. It's a bit late, but happy new year to everyone. Hi, if you're new here, my name is Sanjay and welcome to my YouTube channel. I've been planning to explore and film these three beautiful waterfalls in far north Queensland for a while, and today is the perfect time to do it. Well, last year was a decent for posting content on social media. I'm aiming to be more consistent this year with better planning and execution. I just finished my work at 6 a.m. this morning and now I'm heading to Atherton Tablelands, one of the most beautiful countryside regions in the country. It's about 150 km away if you choose to Kurunda Range or north from Cairns. So guys, I arrived here at a waterfall circuit. Yeah, we got three waterfalls here in the waterfall circuit. So first one I'm going to is Mchugh Falls, which is just about 1.5 kilometers from here. And the other one is Gili Falls, which is 10 kilometers from here. And the other one is 12 kilometers, which is Elenja Falls. So I'm gonna explore all three falls. So let's go to the first falls, which is Mchugh Falls. After nearly two hours of drive from Cairns, I arrived here at the circuit. So let's explore this place. Hello guys, we are here at the first waterfalls for today. This waterfalls is the Mchugh waterfalls. यसको चाहिँ हाइट रहेको छ 18 meters. So हामी यहाँनिर एक दुईवटा क्लिप लिन्छौँ. So this is the first waterfalls if you are coming to do the waterfall circuit. As you can see today the current water is a little bit low. It's the best time to come when it's rainy, and the waterfalls you're gonna see is like a huge one. Today it's not that huge. So people come here to do the swimming on the waterfall circuit. Your waterfall here. So this is the main attractions when you come to Tableland Atherton. You must visit this place. Mchugh Falls is one of the most iconic and photographed waterfalls in Australia, located in the heart of the Atherton Tablelands. The waterfall is about 80 meters high and drops into a beautiful pool at the bottom. The waterfall is surrounded by lush tropical rainforest and manicured gardens, making it a picturesque location for photography and relaxation. The name Mchugh comes from the Aboriginal phrase meaning plenty of water or waterfall, which perfectly describes this natural wonder. Visitors can enjoy swimming in the refreshing pool at the base of the falls, which maintains a consistent cool temperature throughout the year. Alright guys, it's time to head off to another waterfall, which is Gili Falls on the list. That's the second waterfall after the Mchugh Falls. So I'm gonna show you guys about the Gili Falls, how beautiful it is. I need to hike down to the bottom to see the Gili Falls very closely. So I'm gonna show you guys how the Gili Falls looks like, and it's just 10 minutes from here. So another footage will be from Gili Falls. After a few minutes of driving, you'll be greeted by Gili Falls. I wanted to see the falls from the bottom, so I walked down a muddy, slippery hill for 10 minutes to get the perfect view. If you are visiting during the wet season, please watch your step. The tracks can be very slippery.
The view from the bottom was absolutely beautiful, and I had to spend some time there taking it all in.
The waterfall you're watching behind me is Gilly Falls. It looks so magical today. And we just have to hike down for nearly like 10 minutes. And from the bottom, you can see this absolute beauty of waterfalls. So if you're coming to do the waterfall circuit, please come down to the Gilly Falls. It looks so amazing. कुनै कुनै मान्छेहरू चाहिँ त्यही वाटरफलकै मुनि गएर बस्छन् नुहाउनलाई हामी चाहिँ अहिले रेडी छैनौँ. So now it's time to head off to the another waterfalls, which is Elenja Falls. That's a wrap up from this waterfall. So yeah, let's go to the another waterfalls, which is 2 kilometers away from this falls. Alright guys, this is Elenja Falls. From the car park it takes only 5 minutes to get it here. So it's a beautiful waterfalls here, as you can see. There's no one here at the moment, but some people are coming, so I have to go and swim. Alka relax hunja. I'll go to pani swim also.
Taking a dip in this gorgeous waterfall on such a humid day feels so relaxing. The waterfall is cold and refreshing. There were a few people at the falls initially, but after a few minutes, I had it all to myself. Even though I'm not comfortable with swimming, this waterfall is perfect for the beginner swimmers like me. After a refreshing dip at the Elenja Falls, I headed to my last stop, the Mila Lookout, also known as Mchugh's Lookout, located just a few minutes away from the waterfall circuit. I spent some time watching the Mila town in the distance.